Have you ever been working with Blender, wandering around your beautiful environment and doing your work, when suddenly, oh my God, what could have happened to my project? Let me reopen my project. Wow, it couldn't be worse. What happened to that beautiful and lovely environment? What should I do now? Third Line Academy is here to treat this problem like a doctor. Stay with us. In the display mode section, go to the Blender file header. When you scroll down, it will show the project address somewhere at the bottom with an error sign next to it. Right-click on it and select the relocate option. Now go back to the project address and select that file. That's it. But it's not over yet. Let me show you something. Some textures may not be routed yet. To reroute those textures, go to the File section. In the External Data section, select the last option, Find Missing Files. Now, go to the address of your textures and select that folder or location. That's it. If you have any questions or doubts, leave us a comment. We will respond to you promptly. Please like the video and send it to those who need it.